Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. Today, I'll show you how to take photos on the DeepSeek AI app and use them for analysis. Let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek AI app on your phone. Once it's open, follow these steps. 1. Tap the plus plus icon at the bottom of the screen. 2. Select Photo from the menu. 3. If prompted, grant camera access so DeepSeek can take pictures. Now, snap a photo of anything you want to analyze. Once taken, you'll have the option to use or retake the photo. If you're satisfied, tap Use, and the app will start uploading and processing the image. If you're taking a picture of text or a document, DeepSeek might take a little longer to process. If you run into issues, try again, and it should work. And that's it. That's how you take and upload photos in DeepSeek AI. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching HowToHub, and I'll see you in the next one.